Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two gaming motherboards that'll make your rig scream with joy. On the left, we have the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F gaming motherboard, and on the right, we have the MSI B550 gaming Gen 3 motherboard. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic. Price: the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F gaming motherboard comes in at $179, while the MSI B550 gaming Gen 3 is a bit more budget-friendly at $119. So, if you're looking to save some cash, the MSI option might be the way to go. But remember, folks, sometimes it's worth splurging a little for those extra features. Now let's talk performance. Both motherboards support the latest AMD processors, but the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F gaming motherboard takes it up a notch with its optimized power design. With 12+2 DRM-OS power stages and high-quality alloy chokes, this bad boy can handle even the most demanding CPUs. On the other hand, the MSI B550 gaming Gen 3 offers enhanced power design with Core Boost and DDR4 Boost. So, if you're a hardcore gamer or a power user, the ASUS option might give you that extra edge. When it comes to keeping your system cool, both motherboards have their tricks up their sleeves. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F gaming motherboard features a fanless VRM and chipset heatsinks with their innovative Stack Cool 3+ design. This means you can push your system to the limits without worrying about overheating. Meanwhile, the MSI B550 gaming Gen 3 rocks Turbo M.2 General 3x4 and AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2 for lightning-fast game experiences. So whether you want passive cooling or blazing fast speeds, these motherboards have got you covered. Now let's dive into connectivity. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F gaming motherboard boasts high-performance gaming networking with its 2.5 gigabits LAN and ASUS LANguard. Plus, it supports HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.2 output, so you can enjoy crystal-clear visuals. But wait, there's more. It also features dual M.2 slots with PCIe 4.0 x4 connectivity, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and even a Thunderbolt 3 header. On the other hand, the MSI B550 gaming Gen 3 offers multi-GPU support with its Steel Armor PCIe slots, perfect for those who love AMD Crossfire. So whether you're a networking enthusiast or a multi-GPU lover, these motherboards have the connectivity options you need. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F gaming motherboard and the MSI B550 gaming Gen 3 motherboard are two heavy hitters in the gaming world. If you're looking for top-notch performance and don't mind spending a little extra, the ASUS option might be your best bet. But if you're on a budget and still want a solid gaming experience, the MSI motherboard won't disappoint. And there you have it, folks. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-F gaming motherboard and the MSI B550 gaming Gen 3 motherboard are two heavy hitters in the gaming world. If you're looking for top-notch performance and don't mind spending a little extra, the ASUS option might be your best bet. But if you're on a budget and still want a solid gaming experience, the MSI motherboard won't disappoint. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information on these products. That's all for today's episode of Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more epic showdowns. And remember, always buy smart.